So this is a 2020 Mustang GT. It's California Special, the regular 5.0. We are going to install this Borla system on here. It's the Borla S type. Looks like it's got the resonators there, the mufflers, dual tips. Nice black tips. Got the mid X pipe there. It's got the original system on it now, except for the mid resonators were cut out a while back. I'm gonna start it up and let you hear it, and show you the difference and what this sounds like as opposed to this Borla system. We'll do that right now. So let's see what it sounds like. Kind of stock. Alright, so we're gonna put the Borla system on, see what it sounds like, and see what kind of change it made. Okay, we got this installed. There's the Borla X pipe into the back here with the S-type Borla mufflers and a little resonators. Everything's installed, looks real good. Got the black chrome tips, looks really nice. Let's start her up and see how she sounds. All right, here we go.